Hey guys, today we are giving my dogs
a spa.
Yeah, we got some doggy brushes. Oh no, that's a regular brush. A dog brush, another dog brush.
Our drinks.
Yes, some drinks.
My
And
phone.
her phone, which is with a speaker. We are playing some spa music from Spotify.
Here, see.
We got the dog collars. Oh, that's a lot of water. And then we got the actual speaker.
Actually, it's not that bad.
It's a pretty loud speaker.
Yes.
And we got a spa candle. I mean, it isn't specifically
Isn't it
for the
so
spa,
soothing?
but it is soothing. What?
Isn't the beauty?
It's French lavender.
No, I need to talk to the dog's name.
You guys are so relaxed.
Okay, Pear.
Yeah,
The
we're
water
doing.
is really tall, so I am gonna drain it.
Yeah, we are doing Perry first, just because he has more hair, and so it takes longer for his hair to dry. Are you ready?
I hope so.
Am I ready? Yes, I am. Hi.
Okay.
Baby is okay. I see this. Hi, baby. He doesn't get baths often that much, so I think he's still kind of like, what's going on?
He's kind of used to it because we give him baths like once a month.
Yeah, but with Perry, he doesn't smell as bad. We were like, we're doing Buddy. We should probably do Perry too.
Okay, Pear. It's time
For the shampoo. It's special lavender oatmeal pet shampoo. Make a tutorial. I smashed my cup.
This is never used.
Oh. Okay, well, Perry, you're getting a new shampoo that we've never used before. Okay, here's my little bundle of joy. He was just born. I'm joking. It kind of looks like it, but we're just kind of drying him up like a little wet burrito.
Yes, the water's draining so that Buddy can do it.
Yeah, with a new fresh water.
And Perry, you were so good. Do you want to know what you get? Do you want to know?
It's a treat.
Yeah. And Buddy was
Do you
so
want to go get him
patient.
that? Okay. Perry. He's so slow to
When you
get
get it,
Where is it?
it fell under, like, right.
Bud. Oh, there it is. Perry, here. Oh my gosh.
I'll just give it to him after.
Wait, no. He can get it. He can get it, Perry.
I might choke him. He doesn't
Okay,
want it.
let's give it to Buddy. There you go. A second-hand treat.
Yes. We'll give you the treat after, Perry.
You're so cute. Yeah. You should do this more often. He still smells stinky because he's wet.
Yeah, don't worry. He'll smell good. Okay. Okay. Wait into his butt.
Good boy. Yeah. He has one superpower, and that is he can
Watch him.
move his weight to one or more parts of the body to make him seem way heavier than he actually is.
So that you can't move him.
Oh,
You dum-dum.
you little dum-dum.
You're almost done with getting wet.
Yeah.
And I feel like more comfortable being a little more aggressive when I wash Buddy. Not like aggressive in general, but because I have I've had him for so long.
Good boy. I am. Oh, but he's so calm and relaxed.
Dogs they can hear music and stuff. Like they respond to music the same way humans do.
Mm-hmm.
So it's probably helping him a little. Oh,
Will you please do me a favor and get me a Dixie cup? Yeah, him because
Oh my god, I just showered!
Cam,
Oh my god, that's very cute.
the sham cam. Okay, here we go. Come on. Reinhardt.
You bit me.
Perry, I'm so proud.
And I like these treats because they're something that Harry can eat. Are you done? Buddy, please stop. You're making this hard for everybody. Buddy, please get away. Please. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like on the video if you liked it, and don't if you didn't. Please subscribe if you want more content like this with my dogs and with other people. And please don't zoom in.
I'm not.
Okay, good. But anyways, see you all next time.